Imagine this. You're in possession of $1 million. Now multiply that by 100, then 100 again. That's the realm of Warren Buffett, whose net worth is estimated at $100.6 billion as of April 2021. And then there's you and me, working hard to make a living, with modest investments and limited opportunities. Sound familiar? You might be grappling with credit card debt, balancing the hopes of financial stability through a job and the burden of student loans. Wealth, getting rich seems like a distant fairy tale, right? You might glance at millionaires and billionaires, especially those who reached those heights at a young age, and wonder, how did they do it? Let's unravel the secret sauce behind wealth. Here is how a young boy from Omaha, Nebraska, rose to become one of the wealthiest individuals in the world. Warren Buffett's story isn't just about riches. It's about the pursuit of financial wisdom and a relentless commitment to principles that guide wealth creation. Born in 1930 in Omaha, Buffett exhibited a knack for numbers from an early age. His early years were shaped by an unyielding desire to understand money and investments. His fascination with financial markets led him to become a teenage entrepreneur, running various small businesses and investing in stocks. While still in high school, Buffett delved into Benjamin Graham's investment principles, shaping his core philosophy, value investing. He absorbed Graham's teachings like a sponge, crafting his investment approach that prioritized buying undervalued stocks for long-term gains. I want to emphasize this point. Warren Buffett had to learn from someone who possessed riches in order to become wealthy, just as we need to study wealth to achieve financial prosperity. After graduating from college and studying under Graham at Columbia Business School, Buffett returned to Omaha and launched his own investment partnerships. His success wasn't instant, but his dedication and adherence to a few simple yet profound investment principles set him on the path to greatness. Buffett's investment decisions were grounded in patience, discipline, and a profound understanding of businesses. He famously said, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful," encapsulating his contrarian approach to investing. Throughout his career, Buffett's advice on wealth creation has echoed timeless principles. Invest in what you understand, be patient, and focus on the long-term prospects of a business rather than short-term market fluctuations. In addition to this, Warren Buffett has a famous principle. Rule number 1, never lose money. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. This is more about capital preservation and minimizing risk than an absolute directive to never encounter losses. Here's how we can apply this advice, even with limited investment and at any age. Number 1, focus on capital preservation. At any age. Whether you're young or older, protecting your capital should be a priority. For younger investors, minimizing losses early on can ensure a stronger financial foundation. For older individuals, preserving savings becomes crucial for retirement. Number 2, risk management with small investments. With little investment, even with a small amount to invest, prioritize understanding the risk associated with any investment. Diversification can be limited with a smaller investment, but spreading it across different assets or investing in low-cost index funds can help mitigate risk. Number 3, long-term mindset. Adopt a long-term mindset irrespective of your age. Avoid speculative investments that could risk substantial losses. Instead, focus on investments that have a history of stability and growth, such as blue-chip stocks or low-cost diversified funds. Number 4, education and research. With limited funds, even with minimal investment capacity, invest time in learning. Buffett's principle emphasizes the importance of research and understanding the investments you're making. Utilize free educational resources available online or through books to enhance your financial knowledge. Number 5, avoiding costly mistakes. Be mindful of impulsive decisions. Avoid high-risk, high-reward investments that might result in substantial losses. Stick to investments aligned with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Number 6, start early and be consistent. If you haven't started yet, begin now. Consistent small investments over time can grow significantly due to compound interest. Even small regular contributions to a retirement account or index funds can accumulate wealth over the long term. Remember, Buffett's advice isn't a guarantee against losses, but a guiding principle to prioritize protecting your capital. While investing always involves some level of risk, the idea is to approach it with a mindset that minimizes unnecessary risks and seeks long-term growth while avoiding substantial losses, especially during market downturns. Applying this principle, even with limited funds and at any age, revolves around prudent decision-making and a commitment to ongoing financial education. In conclusion, Warren Buffett's wealth secrets are not just words of wisdom, they are actionable principles that can transform your financial trajectory. Remember, it's not just about making money, it's about mastering the art of wealth through studying wealth. Click on this video to learn from the world's first billionaire, John D. Rockefeller. We have a lot to learn.